Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you take a moment right now and hit that subscribe button, that'd be much appreciated. Today I'm going to adjust the headlights on my Dodge Ram. I noticed driving at night a lot that they are aimed very low, so I'm going to turn them up today. Basically what you do is pull your truck or car up to a wall or a door, turn your headlights on and see where the beam's shining. And in this case, I'm not on a real level surface, so I'm going to show you guys how I would adjust them. If you're on a level surface, it's easy. You just turn them up till they're both even. But on an unlevel surface, it's a little bit more tricky. So anyway, so on this Ram, there's just one adjusting screw that adjusts the headlight up or down. There is no left or right adjustment. You just pull this little headlight weather strip back, and there's this hole. And inside there is a Torx head screw. And you can kind of see, there's the rod, the Torx heads, or the adjusting screw. So you want to take a 20mm Torx screwdriver or a Torx bit, and you just put it in the hole, and you turn it right to adjust it up, and left to adjust it down. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. There's the hole. Turn it right to adjust it up and left to adjust it down. Pretty damn simple. And so what I'm going to do, since I'm not on a level surface, is I'm going to use this as my indicator where it says Torx T20, and I'm just going to turn it like a full turn till it hits the back up here on top with the writing on it. And then I'll do the same with the other side so that they're both even. So that's how I do it if I'm on an uneven surface. And there we go. I ended up turning them up about 3 full turns on each side. So I will see tomorrow night if that did the trick. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos, and like this video if it helped you out any. Thanks, guys. See you real soon.